Hey guys, welcome to Capasa Teacher channel. Here I am in Orrius, which is in the region of Barcelona, and it is supposed to have an enchanted forest with all types of goblins and witches and different creatures. So I'm just going to explore the forest and see if this is true or not. So I'll see you in a sec. So at the entrance of the forest you can already see something weird, which is, I don't know if you can see it. So right behind me there's a sculpture of an elephant. Can you see? It's got a trunk, ears, and an enormous body right behind me. So walking down this forest, I found this. Looks like a nice path right behind me. Let's check out what's there. Nothing here. See? There's nothing. Guys, I found a really creepy house in the middle of the forest. It's like, I'm like in the middle of nowhere. And there it is. Can you see the roof? See right there.